So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the image saturation here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Design Wizard and add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to the Elements tab, press on Elements tab right here, right in between My Items and Text, press on Elements. Then where it says Photos right here, you can either select on More, which I will do right now, to open up some more photos here. So what I'll do actually is how about use this photo of what appears to be someone holding an earth in their hand. Although I might not have access to this photo because it is part of the pro version. We'll see if it loads nonetheless. And it actually does. There you go. Nice and simple. Now if you wanted to add, or I guess adjust the image saturation, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the effects tab right here. So select on the image, go to the effects tab, press on effects. Then right here to where it says saturation, if you drag this bar to the right, you increase the saturation. If you drag this bar to the left, you actually decrease the saturation. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit image saturation here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.